So amazing right now. I just don't want to, cause right now I'm trying to just get the music back into my ears, and then continue to, get the groove on. But anyways, welcome back. This is still AM Club, and this is The Plug. And that was Kuame Sax. Kuame Sax. I love the way he spells the Kuame. Welcome to the show, my brother.
Thank you.
Everything cool?
Everything
Nice one, nice one. This is the time where you dey cash out, eh?
Oh, like
No, I mean this is the time where you dey cash out.
like
Oh,
so small.
small, eh?
Yeah.
I like that. Anyways, tell us about yourself. Who is Kuame Sax?
Oh, okay. Kuame Sax is basically me.
Okay,
Yeah. So my name itself is Gabriel.
okay,
Gabriel Wisdom Muto.
okay.
But then,
You were born on a Saturday.
yes, please.
Okay. But why do you change the Kwame? I mean, you decided to put Kuame.
Let's say it's a brand name.
It's a brand name, huh?
So I can't just spell it. As
I
it is.
see.
Yes,
I see.
have
There are a
to
lot of people using Kwame, so you
Yeah.
wanted to identify yourself in a different way. I like that. Kuame Sax. So, tell us about this saxophone journey. How did it start? I mean, yeah.
The journey has been so good.
Okay.
Good and I would say rough.
Okay.
Yeah.
No, we'll get into the challenges first,
Yeah.
but you know,
But
later on.
It has been cool. It has been very cool, yeah.
Mm.
I started at, I think, JHS.
GHS.
Yeah.
Okay.
JHS. That was when I had the feel for, as in deep music. So I decided to
Okay.
learn like something a little to further. I actually used to play the trumpet and the drums.
Okay.
So it was later I got the feeling to
Okay.
further, and then I learned the sax too.
Are you a shy person?
Somehow, yeah.
I said the vim. No, but if I give you vim, then
Oh.
figure. You need to talk a little bit louder so that people. Yeah, so if I talk louder, make people hear you. Because we know you should they hear you like. Me if I day close to you like this, I know they should they hear you like that. Yeah. So the vim for D, you get where they come from. That's right. That's right. Okay. So from JHS, and then so when you went to SHS, you were still playing.
Yeah.
Okay. You know SHS is a little bit restricted, so you don't get the trumpets and everything. But were you playing, you know, with regards to, let's say, churches or something, or the band or something? Was it visible for you to play?
Oh, okay. I was playing at church.
Okay.
Actually, yes. I was playing at church. And then when I went to school too, they had this brass band that.
Okay.
But then there were no instruments, so I was having my own instruments. So
Okay.
that's what I carry along to.
Okay.
The rehearsal. So
Okay.
that's-
Okay. Do you have any inspiration? Anybody who influences you? I mean, because we all have influences.
Oh, yeah.
I mean, me standing here, I get tallest, of broadcasters that I look up to. Are there any renowned saxophonists that you look up to?
Okay, I would mention Harry Ballard.
Okay.
Harry Ballard of Adaha Dance Band.
Okay.
Ghana TV Services.
Okay.
He's my, let's say,
Your
role
mentor,
model.
yeah?
Yes. He's like, he has a degree in music.
Okay.
Yeah, from the University of Ghana.
Okay.
So that's who
That's
I
somebody
look
you look up to.
Yeah.
I like that. Fantastic. Good. Someone would say, with a trumpet like this, I mean, it might be difficult. If you say, Charlie, if you know chop well, you know if you blew because. But how? If you lie, if you lie, eh? Oh, but we've always had that, ideology that as for this one year, if I chop some heavy banku or some KKB
I've
before.
had to come here, if I know chop. I know chop, so.
So what's the technique like? I mean, how do you get to? Because the energy, people think it's energy related. You have to have that.
I wouldn't say energy related.
It's not.
It's sense related.
Sense related. Just a nyansa.
Answer.
Hey.
It's not about how you carry your stomach. No.
Okay.
It's just the brain, yes. If you want to play, you play.
Okay.
No matter the availability of food, or you will still play.
Is it hard to learn?
It depends on the person who wants to learn.
Okay.
Yeah. If the person is determined, the person can still learn. But then if someone says go and learn, then it's not from your own will. It will be hard for you to learn.
Okay.
That's it.
And how long would it take for somebody to, be able to complete learning and or knowing how to play as a
You
professional?
can't say complete. Because we
Every day
learn
is a
every
learning
day.
process.
Yes, please.
I see. I see. In case you just tuned in, this is the plug right here on the AM Club. I have Kuame Sax. And the reason why we have Kuame Sax is because today is a Valentine's Day. You get me? A lot of people will be hitting on people like Kuame Sax to, go and surprise their loved ones. I'm sure Kwame, even before you come, Seth, you go surprise somebody, Seth. Or you are about to.
I'm about to.
About to, you see, cash out. Oh my, yeah. He will give us some. But I know definitely, these are the times where a lot of people gets to engage the services of saxophonists to, go surprise that loved one, probably at an office, workplace, school, whatever it is. It's a time to celebrate that special loved one. Let's dive into the profession itself. How lucrative is it?
Okay, it depends on how competent you are.
Okay.
And then you have to learn. The thing is, you have to learn. Yes, because someone will call you and be like, he wants you to play this. So that creates a learning pace for you.
Okay.
So you have to make sure you are always satisfying your customers.
Okay.
In order to get more.
Okay.
So there's actually money in it. Yes.
Okay. There's money in it. Eh?
Yes.
Okay. Run us through. How does this work? So I'm a client. I call you. Okay. I want you to go surprise this person. Do I give you the type of song, the name of the song, and then do I do that 2 days before? You learn before? How does it work?
Okay. So sometimes our clients don't even know what they want.
Okay.
So we tell them what should be done.
Should be done.
But then
Some don't even know the songs they want to play.
Yeah.
I
So
see.
we choose what we do for them. But
Okay.
then with those who know what they want, they might call some call late. But
Okay.
then I would prefer you call a week late.
week before.
Yeah. Then maybe when you want your song, you give it to me. And if I know it already, that one is fine. But if I don't know, I'll search for it and learn.
Okay.
So,
Have you had any scenarios where the person has come impromptu and given you some Huhunsho song that you don't even know about the song?
Yeah.
It's been there. How did you run it through?
Okay, so I'm a type of listening person. So when I get to listen to the song, it's fast for me to play.
Okay.
So that one, the challenge wasn't that there. But then I told him or her it shouldn't be done.
Okay.
So she had to correct herself. Yeah.
Personally, as Kuame Sax, what's your stronghold when it comes to genre of music?
Okay.
Love songs.
Not love songs.
Okay.
But then in general, I'll say local songs.
Local songs.
Yeah.
Like our Ghanaian songs.
Yeah.
Okay.
And
So
then
you've
it's
mastered all the songs.
Not all. But then
Some of them, eh?
yeah.
I see. Okay, all right. Are there any memorable collaborations that you've done, probably with some major artists that we don't know of, or you featured in a movie, or probably even a music video? Is there anything on that sort that has happened?
I do recordings for people.
Okay.
Yeah. But then I don't know if some have been produced or not.
Okay.
But I play in Adaha Dance Band and then Strings and Voices Band.
Okay.
So that's how.
All right. And weddings as well?
Oh, sure.
A lot.
Yeah.
That's where the money
Birthdays
is.
and yeah.
That's where the money is. What's the future like for Kuame Sax?
Okay. I'm hoping to see the young ones who are coming to be like us.
Okay.
So we can also be like those who we came to meet.
Okay.
Yeah. Because
Okay.
music is nice.
Okay.
Music is very nice. So
Okay.
I would say everyone should venture into music. Yeah. It will help.
Okay. On that note, if you're venturing into music, Kuame Sax says music is life. I agree 100% with him because, sometimes you are down-spirited, you don't know what to do, but you play your favorite music. And as the saying will go, music is definitely spiritual as well. So yes. On that note, it's Valentine's Day. Someone will say it's Ash Wednesday. So what make we play on the Ash Wednesday? But it's Valentine's Day. So say a very big happy Valentine's Day to that special person. On that note, too, as well, want to say happy Valentine's Day to every single person who watches the show. You're part of the show. You love the show. Well, happy Valentine's Day to you. And be kind. Be kind-hearted. Yes. Do well to, share something with somebody just for today. You get it. Irrespective of the person's relationship with you. Not because the person is your boyfriend or girlfriend or wife or fiancé or whatever. But, just because the person is a love person, you love the person. Whatever love it may be, just share something with that special person. Okay, so it's been a wonderful time right here on the show. It's been an amazing time right here on the AM Club. We're rushing it in and going over to cross it out at the Achimota Senior High School, where the ladies are already, taking the lead over there. So yes, thank you so much for being part of the show. My name is Kojo Dasabre. We will be right back tomorrow, 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. right here on the AM Club. When we're off camera, make sure you do join us on our socials. Of course, it's MX24GH across all networks. You can also DM me at kojo.dasebre, kojo.dasebre. Let's have a good time. Let's chit-chat about MX24 and a whole lot more as far as our news is concerned too as well. So get ready for that. I'll see you tomorrow, but I'll leave you in the capable hands of Kuame Sax once again as he takes us home on that lovely, dovey Valentine note. God bless you. I'll see you. Kwame, over to you. Let's do it.